The retaining ring is used to secure the locking lever to the cap nut. It clamps into a groove in the nut. If the retaining ring is removed, it will be stretched and may no longer lock securely. This can cause it to come loose and be lost. Replacing the retaining ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the retaining ring from the cap nut. I'll use a flat screwdriver to do that. I'll place the screwdriver under one of the openings in the retaining ring and pry it away from the cap nut. Now install the new retaining ring. You'll notice the retaining ring has a slight curve to it. I want the bottom of that curve to be facing against the lever. I'll place the retaining ring in the groove on the cap screw and then use my pliers to snap it into place. And that's how easy it is to replace the retaining ring on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.